Look at the scary Q bridge.
Oh, hello. Me and the kids, right, dude, back there?
Yep.
You back there? Yeah, he's back there. Anyway, me, the dude, Cupcake, we're on the road. We're heading down to Oregon. We're going to a place called Bend, Oregon. It's on the eastern side of Oregon, and we're going to spend a couple days down there rooting around in the forest and looking at rocks and waterfalls and stuff like that. Mom's not here, which is very disappointing, but she has to work, and so she couldn't come on this trip, which is like a big deal because it's like the first time Mom's ever came on the trip, right? It's kind of a big deal, but she's home today and she's got to go to work this week, so she didn't get to come. So the three of us are gonna go explore the middle of Oregon, where there's like a high desert and there's like big rocks, and we're gonna actually go dig for rocks. There's a place you can go dig for rocks for like geodes and fossils and stuff, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna do that and a bunch of other things. So we're headed down to Oregon. We're gonna zip right through that place that's terrible and go through Salem and Eugene and go over to Bend, Oregon. But that's where we're headed, right? We're stopping real quick because the kids and I have been watching these things on Dutch Brothers Coffee, which looks kind of cool because they're a little different than Starbucks because they're more like different. So we're gonna stop. We're first Dutch Brothers stop, and then we're gonna try to get some coffees. You excited?
Yeah.
Are you excited for your Dutchness? Are you? Okay. This will be interesting.
Yeah.
Oh, they already got a line over there waiting to get in. Come on, I need to get my coffee. That was interesting. It was an interesting ordering. They don't have really all their menu on the wall because this is like a drive-through only, but they have a walk-up. We got one of these cards, a punch card. It's very shiny on the back. It's actually kind of cool. But it's 3 punches, and by the end of this week we're gonna fill this card up. And the kids and I decided that we're gonna get a different drink every time we come, so we can never get the same thing twice. So the dude, who can't hold himself back, already started into his drink. Dude, what did you think?
This is the best hot chocolate I've ever had. It is really good.
It was the Dutch cocoa. Yeah, you like that, huh? What is that?
I got a medium and it came like super giant. I didn't think it would be this big.
Is it good?
Yeah, it tastes really like coffee, and it has, I mean, it's called the caramelizer, so it's got coffee in it with caramel, and I like iced coffee, but it's really good actually.
Gotcha. Now mine doesn't look very appealing down there, but I did get the Dreamweaver, which is hazelnut mocha, which hazelnut's my drink. So it's hot hazelnut and mocha coffee, which is pretty good, tasty. So that was our little stop, our first stop at Dutch Brothers. We're going to stop every time and get a different drink. No, we're at the Sahalie Falls. It's a big waterfall at the top of the Cascades in Oregon. So we're gonna go look at the waterfall, and then the dude just woke up, right, dude?
Oh no.
Okay. He's such a liar.
No.
We've been debating about waking him up when we saw all that lava. So then from here, after you see the waterfall, we're gonna go to Bend, which is just over the hill here. So let's take a look at the waterfall. There goes the dude. You can hear the waterfall in the background. Right, Cupcakes? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Cupcake is concerned that her hair may be inappropriate for the waterfall.
No, it's,
oh,
the dude said it was snarled.
It's not snarled.
Well, that's what he said, so...
Enjoy the nature. Who doesn't care about your hair? Oh. Whoa, look at that. Okay, so we just got back from eating dinner. We ate at the Deschutes Brewery and pub house, or a public house, which is a big restaurant. Obviously, Deschutes Brewery. So we had a lot of food. We had the giant pretzel with the cheese and mustard sauce, which was really tasty. And then we had dinner. And the dude had a giant pizza. How was the pizza, dude?
Good.
Was it? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Cupcake had fish and chips, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yep.
Did you like it?
It was pretty good fish and chips.
The fries were really good.
Yeah, they were really good. They had a lot of seasoning on them.
Yeah.
They were really flavorful, and you could taste the potato in them. So.
Yeah, they were pretty good. And then I had the steak salad, which was actually pretty good. Not the best one I've had, but pretty good. And then Cupcake and I had it was basically a fruit cobbler with a big scoop of ice cream on it. Was that tasty?
Yeah, it was like, it was meant for like 2 to 4 people.
What'd you have?
I had a peanut butter pie.
Yeah, how was that?
That was really good.
Yeah, you liked it, huh?
They had like chocolate fudge on top, then the peanut butter
It was
it was a peanut butter. It was a peanut butter pie, dude. I mean, most people know what that would be if you say that. It's all good. You liked it though?
Yeah.
A lot of people, a lot of noise. We could barely hear each other at the table, which kind of sucked. But it was a good place, good food. The waitress was great, but the hostess staff wasn't so much. So it's unfortunate because we didn't get napkins until she figured out that they didn't give us napkins. So, but she was great. Anyway, recommend it still. It's a good place, good food. And so we're gonna go down to the pool because the dude's got to swim, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you work off that peanut butter pie. Mm-hmm. Yeah.